Hello my friends and welcome to If Only April. So in today's episode we're gonna do something for toddlers and it's gonna be a learning tower. So a friend of mine has a toddler. My kid's already kind of grown out of it, but so her daughter is almost a year and a half, and when she wants to go to the countertop to do something on the kitchen, she always falls down, right? So from this step stool. So we're gonna make some sort of a guard for this IKEA. I think it's a big thumb stool, and we're gonna hack the hell out of it, and we're gonna make the rails. So my friend's beautiful daughter not gonna fall anymore. Yeah, it's a super easy project, and yeah, we're gonna need a bit of 1x3s and 1x2s for it, and yeah, let's get going. So I'm gonna disassemble the top from this stool first, but if you just assemble in it, as a brand new from IKEA, just assemble the whole step stool, besides this top part. Keep the screws safe in my pocket. Hopefully I'm not gonna forget that I put it there. Okay, here we go. Perfect. Let's put it aside. And now we're gonna cut the wood for the leaning tower bed, and I'm gonna have all the measurements on my blog, so make sure to check that out. And yeah, it shouldn't be that bad. Pretty sure it's gonna be a relatively easy process. Okay, so here's all the pre-made pieces. So easy peasy. Then I'm gonna sand all the pieces before assembly, so it's gonna look way nicer this way. So we're gonna assemble this whole thing in two ways. First one, I'm sorry, I could barely hear myself. So the first way would be to use a crack jig and yeah, just make pocket holes and then assemble it. But to be honest, I think it should be fine without the crack jig, and if I'm just gonna use the if we're gonna drill pocket holes and make screws, put screws inside. So yeah, I'm probably gonna do that because I know that a lot of people don't have crack jigs, so but everyone has a drill, right? Yeah, so I found this clamp. That's the only one I have with this width, and yeah, clamp this side. So this one is not moving. Hold on, and we're gonna measure the distance. So the distance is the same. It's gonna be 7 inches from the top. Okay. Yay! Perfect. Okay. And now, drilling time. So flush, so nice. Okay, now we're gonna disassemble this part and do the same thing with the top. I made these two sides of the sleeping tower, and now what we're gonna do, we're gonna attach them with this board. Oh yeah, we're gonna do it on the top, one on the top and another one 7 inches down. Just need to make sure that when you're gonna screw from this side, you're not screwing into this, you're not touching this screw, okay? So you're basically gonna be attaching these two sides, with this board exactly the same way as we did before. Super easy, shouldn't take us long, right? Good to go. My New Year resolution is definitely to clean this garage and kind of try to keep it clean as long as possible. And I definitely invested into a good dust collection system because this is just pornography. Oh no. Right. Check on the square. Check. And so when you do this, make sure that you're not going through this screw. Yay! Okay. Success! Oh my god, we almost done. So look at this. We just need to add a bit of a rail here and attach it to the stool. Hey! Okay, one is in. Next one should be even two. So that's gonna be the case. I'm gonna make it the case. Yes! I believe in us! We can do it! Yoo-hoo! Okay, beautiful. That just looks fabulous, isn't it? Okay, now we need to sand the whole thing down, attach it to the stool, and paint it. And we're ready to go! And one happy little girl, we're gonna have a step stool. Then remember in the beginning we took off this thing and yeah, please don't mind the drawing part. That's a courtesy of my little artist. But don't you worry because we're gonna paint this whole chair and everything is gonna be amazing. So yeah, so we need to attach this thing. We need to attach this to this. Yep. And we're gonna do it so from the bottom. Yep, from here. This is how we do it. So now let's look at the final result. We're almost there. Yeah! Woo. Okay. Are you ready to see the final product? I mean, it's not that final because I'm still gonna paint it. Definitely gonna paint it with something, but yay! Check this out. Amazing. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now you know how to make this learning tower stool from IKEA, backbone stool, step stool. And yes, I hope to see you again. And if you're not subscribed yet, please make sure to do so and hit that notification bell button to be notified when I'm posting new videos. Everyone, Happy New Year! And yes, I hope this year is gonna be full of wonderful projects. I'll see you next week. Bye!